This video is sponsored by JLCPCB, where you can get custom-made PCB with only starting $2. Hey, if you hear maybe God have give you wisdom, maybe from your family, friends, or maybe any outsider. Alright then, today we're gonna understood about breadboard. I know it's look yummy, but we cannot eat them. So alright then, let's drive to the breadboard. Alright, okay, we see here firstly we got power rail at the top, top 2 row here, top 2 row, and then over here, right, okay, and the bottom 2 row. This is what we call power rail. Top 2 row and bottom 2 row is power rail. Then we got VCC positive terminal, which is voltage common collector, VCC, and negative is the ground, which is for the ground for the circuit. Same as here, VCC and ground. So next, here we got 63 column. 63 column here. Both top and bottom here is got 63 column, 1, 2, like that, until here 63 column. Until here 63, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, until 63 column here. Alright, this top part and the bottom part got. So you can see got 5 point join vertically along A B C D E F G H I J. This is vertically joined here. 5 point is vertically joined at the top, and 5 point is vertically joined at the bottom. This is the brick. Alright, this is act as a bridge to separate the top vertical column and bottom vertical column. Alright, so this bridge is like you mostly will put IC component. Each breadboard got different column. As this one we got 60, 61, 62, 63 column, right? But we also got 65 column at other breadboard, 65 and much more. Okay, normally we got component to place into the breadboard, which will be placed. This is connected vertically, and this power rail is connected horizontally, right? Here is the slot to make bigger breadboard. Right here, if you got one breadboard, you can attach to the another breadboard. Make it bigger, much bigger breadboard here. At the back we got conductive metal strip, right? The conductive metal strip which align here power rail, right? Power rail at the top and bottom here. This is all inside got conductive metal strip, and this is the column part. Here is all got inside got conductive metal strip. So inside, even you open this inside this is the sticker got all the conductive metal strip for hold the component. As you can see, this is a sample component to place inside. This is the DuPont wire which I will be placed here, right? For example, right, like this. Okay, so these two is connected, alright, because it's collected in the column. Let's say here, and we put here another one, positive rail. Alright, this is connected, this is connected. Then we can place the components such as this. it's like this. Okay, you see here. Then we connect to the ground. Okay, you see here is the sample of the placing for component in the breadboard. Here you see from positive rail, starting from positive, which we will supply here. Normally it's here, right? Okay, normally got here, we can put the supply positive here, then it flow to here, flow to this direction, which is connected in the column section. Then it will flow to here, it is connected to column section here. Then it flow to here, which is the resistor. Then it flow here to here is connected. Then it connect to the LED. Then here to here is connected. Then to the ground here. This is the sample component. Okay, all the circuits are connected here. Let's just connect to the power source. Okay, to the VCC here. And then another one to the ground. Alright, look. How cool was that? It's a complete circuit. Okay, that's all from the breadboard. Let's quickly recap what we have learned. And now we're done with the solderless breadboard. Normally, before we placing the component in the breadboard, we will verify the current and voltage passing in the breadboard using SPICE simulation software. SPICE, which stands for Simulation Program with Integrated Circuit, which is emphasis the perfect to simulate the circuit design and to predict circuit behavior. Once you already learn solderless breadboard, you can progress to learning electronic breadboard as well as soldering the breadboard to make it a permanent object. Soldering was great to join two or more items by melting and putting a filler metal, which is solder, into the joint. The filler metal normally have lower melting point to adjoin the metal. Last but not least, you can progress to PCB breadboard, which is printed circuit board. Firstly, you have to learn PCB design software. Once you're done with designing and send it to the Gerber file, you can send it to manufacturer online such as JLCPCB to print the circuit board. Like here, I made my own custom Arduino PCB from JLCPCB. Here where you can make your own custom PCB for only starting $2. It's kinda cool though where you can make your own design for your Arduino. Definitely check them out, which link in the description below. Here I comparing finished design Arduino and Arduino compatible board. I changed the board color to black and now I'm just gonna need electronic component in the board to solder either surface mount or through hole component. Once you've done everything, you already mastered the 4 elements. Okay, just joking. Alright, that's all for me. If you got any question, please leave the comment below. Alright then, see you next time. Bye.